Welcome to the Bitcoin News Show, where we provide you with concise, daily Bitcoin-related news. Let's get started.
Today is Monday, December 5th, 2022, and this is your Bitcoin News. Creditor groups in negotiation with Genesis Trading currently account for over $1.8 billion worth of loans. Genesis is a portfolio company of Barry Silbert's Digital Currency Group, which also owns Grayscale. The Office of Trustee within the U.S. Department of Justice has filed a motion to request an independent examiner in the FTX bankruptcy case. DOJ's motion calls on the independent examiner to probe FTX for criminal misconduct. A judge in South Korea has dismissed an arrest warrant for a co-founder of Terra Luna, Daniel Shin. A separate arrest warrant for Do Kwon remains in effect. MetaMask co-founder Dan Finlay expressed support for moving apps away from Apple's App Store. Finlay called Apple's 30% fee for in-app purchases, quote, an abuse of monopoly, end quote. Apple has enforced its policy on major apps blocking the iOS version of Coinbase Wallet, for example, until Coinbase disabled its non-compliant NFT transfer functions. Liquidators in the Three Arrows Capital bankruptcy case have seized over $35 million in cash from a bank in Singapore. Liquidators told the presiding court that they also forced the liquidation of over $2 million worth of digital assets, including NFTs. Three Arrows Capital filed for bankruptcy in July 2022. Its fund manager, Kyle Davies, and Su Zhu have not been arrested. Unable to be physically located, however, British Virgin Islands-based liquidators have proposed serving court papers to them over Twitter. Former FTX US president and recently unemployed Brett Harrison is attempting to raise $6 million for his new startup. Sources told Coinbase that he is attempting to raise the funds at a $60 million valuation to build crypto trading software. Galaxy Digital submitted the winning bid to acquire Celsius Network's self-custody solution, GK8. DeFi protocol Anchor will reimburse $5 million in losses due to an exploit of its systems. An attacker minted 6 quadrillion BNB derivative tokens and later redeemed them for 5 million real USDC. Thanks for listening to the Bitcoin News Show. Subscribe to the Bitcoin News Show on YouTube and follow us on Apple Podcasts and Spotify to stay up to date on the latest Bitcoin news. See you tomorrow, everybody. Bye-bye.